Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here. This week's video is coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina at Prism Supply Company. We're going to check out their shop where they're building cool custom motorcycles and making parts so you can make your bike cool too. So let's go ahead and check it out.
I'm Jake Hines. I own Prism Supply with my brother Zach Hines. We manufacture motorcycles, custom parts, and then we do a little bit of apparel as well. Some of our top production parts are taillights and petcocks, handlebars, sissy bars, but we also do a lot of other miscellaneous parts with that. We sell t-shirts, we sell hats, we sell tool rolls, basically anything for the motorcycle enthusiast, the motorcycle lifestyle. We also build a couple bikes a year, and these are full custom frame, ground up builds, where we'll make the gas tank, the fender, the oil tank, front end, you name it, everything on it will be handmade. And we try to keep as much of that in-house as possible. This style we pretty much always shoot for is 60s style choppers, not necessarily 70s twisted fork style. It's more traditional, classic, timeless choppers. Yeah, something that isn't gonna be dated ever. Something that's gonna last forever. Right out of high school, I got a job, apprenticeship actually, doing tool and die. So I got my journeyman's certificate as a tool and die maker. From that, I learned machining, basic fab work. And then after doing that job for a couple of years full time, I decided to go back to school to be a mechanical engineer. And manufacturing motorcycle parts is what got me through school. And so when I graduated, I said, well, I'm gonna keep doing this. And so I've been doing it for 3 years full time now, and there's 4 of us full time that work in the shop. We also do a big vintage motorcycle and hot rod show every year, and that's right here on the same site as our shop, in an old Ford factory, actually, that Ford built in the 20s. We have 20 to 30 vintage hot rods, traditional hot rods, and then 100+ bikes, a ton of vendors, food trucks, live music. It's a good day. If you don't have anything to do, it's April 13th of 2019.
So that was Prism Supply Company. Thanks to them for having us here today. You can check them out on social media, whether it be Instagram, check out their website so you can pick up some of the parts that they manufacture, or just check out the builds that they've done. Go ahead and like this video if you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of these bikes? What do you think of this shop? What do you think of this area? This industrial park really speaks to me on my design level. I love this kind of stuff. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this every week. Thanks for coming around, folks.